Hello, my people. Welcome. Today, Jamb examination is starting 19th of June, and you're going to want to print your result whenever you're done. And Jamb has improved so much that it doesn't take so much time before your results come out. And I'm going to show you the step you can use in checking your results. Just like we showed you the step you can use in printing your exam slip. You can see this is the portal. This is where you check. This is the official website for Jamb. portal.jamb.gov.ng. You can see this is where you can print your slip, the slip you need to enter the hall with. But importantly, you should know that once your result is out, you also see a button like this here that will tell you to print the result slip. So this one, they call it notification. That's what you're going to print once your result is available on their website. Just the way you have the mock result here. For those of you that have not printed your mock result, go straight and do the printing. This is same portal, portal.jamb.gov.ng. That's where you check your result. So once it's out, you're going to see a button like this. So you click on it, then you put either your registration number, the email you use in registering, or your phone number. So you have three things you can put to check, have your result notification. Either your Jamb registration number, your email, or your phone number, the number you use in sending your profile code. So any of those can check your results. Now, sometimes before the result come out on this very portal.jamb.gov.ng, there might be a link that you can use to check it. So once such link is out, we're going to drop it in the comment section of this very video you're watching. So always check the comment section. You're going to see if there is other link that you can use in checking the result. We're going to put it there because our work here is to serve you, making sure that you get the right information at the right time. So once the result come out, you quickly come and check on this portal, portal.jamb.org.ng, and you're going to see, like I said, a button just like this too that will be telling you to, it will have on it UTME 2021 result notification. So that is how you're going to check your results. And importantly, if there is any other link or any other way, we are going to be updating the description part of this video. So always be checking it because we are going to paste any new link if they don't do it this normal way. Now, very importantly, you're writing your Jamb. We have our platform, Educate Africa. This is it. This is where people are learning in the whole country, and they are making good results in timely basis. So you have to check it out. So once you get to this Educate Africa, you scroll down, you're going to see all the subjects that you need as a student. We've already worked on them, including past questions. So once you click on any of them, say literature in English, CRS, you're going to be led into the class where you have teacher teaching you to get explanation together with the textual part. This is the platform everybody in Nigeria is using to learn. For those that want to pass and get good grades, if you want to score high in your Jamb or get very good grades in your WAEC, our target in Educate Africans is 300 and above Jamb score and 9A1, flat 9A1. And that is why we created this course content in order to serve that. So this is where you should be learning. Then if you need the CBT app for your phone, Android phone, this is it here. The best CBT app in the whole of Nigeria. Updated. We also have CBT app for WAEC. This is what you should get for your students, for your children, for yourself, if you're planning to sit for the WAEC. So that you make adequate preparation. Once you click on this link, you'll get it downloaded. If you want it on your laptop, you download for your laptop. If you want it on your phone, you download on your phone. Once you go to Google Play Store, if you're using a smartphone, go to Google Play Store and type Educate Africans. That is for the Jamb. Then if you type Educate Africans SSCE, that is for the WAEC. So have it in your phone and be using. That's how you make score, by exposing yourself to as many questions as possible so that you get accustomed to how these exam bodies set exams. And when you click on these subjects, you have the teaching from the best teachers together with past questions. So that is what you need to pass. Then you can also quickly hook up to our YouTube channel. You can click here, it will take you to our YouTube channel. In our YouTube channel, you can also learn a whole lot. So this is a link to our YouTube channel here. You can call my number if you want our lectures in flash drive. We'll give it to you in flash drive. This is an example of the flash drive. Once you plug it on your phone like this, you can be playing it. Video, somebody is teaching you. So you can use it if you're having network problem in watching our videos online. So we'll send you this flash drive. You can also put, this side is for phone, whereas this other side is for laptop. You can put it in your computer as well and be playing all the subjects with your curriculum fully covered according to Jamb syllabus, according to WAEC syllabus. Past questions everywhere explained in video format. So this is what you need. These are the things you need as a student. You need to buy them for your younger ones. So we have plans for, you have lectures for common entrance, we have for junior secondary school. We have all the content you need as a student. That is why here is where people are learning. People that are in other countries, Ghana, they are calling all the time. They are using the platform. It's for Africans to learn a whole lot of things. So once you're on this platform, make sure you click on this student registration. Register as a student so that you can be able to access the courses. If you click on these courses and they are not opening, the videos and teaching are not opening, make sure you're registered and you log in properly. Student registration. If you're a teacher, you want to also make money from your teaching, you can register as an instructor and be teaching. Will help you sell your courses. So this is the best platform for you to be learning while you prepare for your Jamb. If you're writing maybe on Friday and you still have time, you can just click on this subject, the subjects you're doing. If you're not seeing your subject, click on this view all courses. Watch the videos immediately. They are going to help you. You see your performance because you're going to see that the videos are summarized in such a way to go straight to the point, what you need in your syllabus. That's from where we curated all these courses. So that is what you should be doing. So this is our YouTube channel. In our YouTube channel, we have also all the subjects you need. We've treated them. It's the best YouTube channel for students. Once you go there, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon so that anytime we drop any video, you'll be the first to see the video. And when you watch our videos, always share them so that your friends can see them and start using the content. You can see. So these are all lectures. All lectures for your Jamb, strictly for you to pass. So once you click on videos, you see all the video lectures. We are constantly doing live streaming so that our students can hook up and learn the best way it should be. So you click on playlist, you will have the collection of the videos. But if you click on video, you see all of them. So you can see our constant everyday live streaming classes that we are doing with our online classes with our students on Zoom. So call my number, I can add you up to the Zoom class so that you can follow other people. My phone number is always there. The number is +234 7067 62698. Please let me come again. +234 70671 62698. So you can see all the subjects here: literature, CRS, commerce, biology, economics, English. Once you click on all courses, you're going to see all of them. So teach every other thing as well. If you're a student, you're finishing from your normal school, you have to be learning some skills in computer and software. So we have all those things here. So it's good for you. I'm going to click on home again so that I'll show you my phone number. You can always contact me so that I can direct you. This is my phone number here, +234 70671 62698. So we have all our social media contacts here. If you want to join us on Facebook, you click this one. On LinkedIn, you click this one. On YouTube, you click this one so that you get hooked up. Then very importantly, this is the life changer summary, the summary you're supposed to use for your English. We've already summarized it here together with likely questions. Click on it and download the summary with the likely questions. If you need your syllabus, this is the link to your syllabus. This is your Jamb CBT for Android. This is your WAEC CBT for computer. Jamb CBT for computer, laptops. Then if you need a flash that has our lectures, call this phone number and I'll send it to you. So everything you need is here. This is where people are practicing from for their Jamb, straight to the point, exactly what you need. Okay, I'm using this opportunity to wish all of us good luck in our Jamb. Write well. God is going to bless you and make sure that your efforts not wasted. We're going to graduate in flying colors. Thank you. Thank you. God bless you.